In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create landing page in AppyPie. We'll start inside your AppyPie account. Open your browser, sign in, and head to the Builder area. This is the workspace where you control your projects and access the tools you need to create your landing page. From the Builder, look for the Manage option. Click it to view your projects. Here, select your store app, the app you want to promote with a landing page. If you manage more than one, choose the one that matches your current goal. Next, open Manage App for that project. On the screen that appears, focus on the left-hand sidebar. This is your navigation panel for all app-related settings and features. In the sidebar, find and select Miscellaneous. Within that section, choose App Landing Page. This takes you to AppyPie's landing page builder, where you can create a marketing page without writing code. You'll now see a gallery of website templates. Take a moment to browse and pick a design that suits your app style and the audience you want to reach. Look at layout, visual tone, and how sections are arranged: hero area, benefits, screenshots, and calls to action. Pick the template you love that best fits your needs. Once you've found the right match, click on the template to open it in the editor. This loads a customizable version of the design so you can make it your own. Start customizing by replacing the placeholder text. Write a clear, benefit-focused headline that explains what your app does and why it matters. Add a short supporting sentence that reinforces the main value, and use concise bullet-like paragraphs in the body to highlight key features and outcomes. Tweak the fonts and colors to align with your brand. Choose one or two typefaces for consistency, and set a simple type scale for headings and body text. Apply your primary brand color to buttons and key accents, and make sure text contrasts well against backgrounds for readability. Update images and icons with high-quality visuals that reflect your product. Use clean screenshots, device mockups, or lifestyle photos that show your app in use. Keep the visual style consistent so the page feels cohesive. Refine your call to action buttons. Place a strong primary button near the top and ensure its label is specific and action-oriented. Keep spacing tidy, align sections neatly, and maintain a logical flow from headline to benefits to proof and action. And that's it. You've navigated to the landing page tool, selected a template, and customized the text, fonts, and colors to match your brand. With these steps, your AppyPie landing page is ready to represent your app with clarity and impact.